we've had this many people in the spin studio before, like ever.
Let's get some more in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Get some girls.
Yeah. All we need, yeah.
We got party.
If those two can just come to life, we'd be alright, you know what I mean? Brilliant, boy, back to the music. We'll cut to these guys in just a second as well. Mr. Morgan Page
Can I
now.
just say, my wife's here, so if there's any swingers on the island.
Cayman Islands, what can I say? The weather is nice, the women are unreal, the food's been good, there's no complaints, I can't complain. You know, I might not even come back, UK.